Hey everybody, in this video I will show you exactly how to fix games that are not using the NVIDIA GPU. So make sure to watch the video until the end to get the most out of it. So, to fix this, first open your window, click on the window icon located on the top left bottom, and then click on Settings. From here, go over to the System, and in the search bar, search for Graphics Settings. Click on it, and from here, you can browse your game for which you want to select the graphics card. In my case, it is League of Legends. Once your game is listed, then click on Options and set the graphics preference to High Performance. This will force the game to use the graphics card. So that is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.